Okay, so here's the authenticity card. Okay. Now let's show the no battery in the base of the statue. Empty battery compartment. And we'll show the plug in the wall. Okay, here's the USB plug. I'm going to show that the USB is giving power. This is an old speaker. We'll plug it in here, and you can see the lights come on there. And when I plug the cable out, the lights turn off. So that cable is good, capable of charging. Now we're going to plug it in with no battery. I'll turn the switch off. Plug it in. There's the LED. It's a mix of green and red. And I'm going to turn on the button for the spinning ammo box. And nothing happens. Again, turn it off. Turn it on. Ammo box does not spin. I'm going to add the snake statue to make sure that the night vision goggles don't work. Okay. Got the snake night vision goggle. Okay, so that's in properly. And again, I'm going to turn the power on the back. And now I'm pressing the other button for the night vision. On, off, on, off, on, off. So again, no lights are toggling. And the peg is not turning. Again, show you back here. Okay. Now we're going to try it with the battery. Okay, so I'm going to take off the statue. I'm going to unplug the cable. Turn it off. Cable is unplugged. I'm going to use my brand new 1650 battery that was charged yesterday. Positive, negative in properly. That's in. Okay. And now I'm going to plug in the cable. You want to see the light that it turns. Right now it's red, but in a few seconds to a minute it should turn green. There it went. And now I'm going to press the switch. And again, no movement on the peg. Turn it off, turn it on. No movement. We can try it with the ammo box mounted. On, off, nothing. Sometimes tilting it made it go. You'll see that in another video, but it's not happening with any consistency. Okay. And again, for completeness, I'm going to add the snake statue. And we're going to show the lights don't work. Okay, statue's in. Okay, head is on. Just turn it. And now I'm just going to press the button for power with the cable in. No lights. Again, toggling the light button for the goggles, nothing. And I'll just show you here the lights. Nothing is happening. Okay, I think that's it. All right, thank you.